Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to bring you another Christmas tree decorating tutorial, and I can honestly say this is hands down my favorite Christmas tree I've ever decorated. And I was a little nervous about it because I'm a very neutral kind of Christmas tree girl. I usually go with silvers and golds, maybe add in a little bit of color, but this one I went completely Mad Hatter on you, all kinds of color with a little bit of black and white. It's completely out of my comfort zone, but I adore it, and the girls and MP are obsessed with it as well. Even my husband is like, oh man, that tree looks really good. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you from start to finish how to get this tree exactly like mine. First, this is what I always do with any Christmas tree: ribbon. It's so important. It makes trees look full. It just gives it a glam look, and you can create any type of look with ribbon. It's amazing. What I do start with is mesh ribbon. I usually use a 10-inch roll or a 20-inch wide roll. Since our tree is so big in our living room and it's so full, I did use 20-inch when I was cascading down. So that's what I do first, is I take the ribbon, the mesh ribbon, start at the very top of the tree, and then I just bunch it in the tree as I'm going down. And I like the mesh ribbon for this. I'm just trying to cover the tree as much as possible. For this, I use silver and gold. You can use any color that you want. I do think the wider the better. Now, if you do have a smaller, skinnier tree, you may want to go with the 10-inch mesh ribbon. That may work better for you. But as I'm going down, I just take it, it's cascading down, and I just bunch it into the branches. You literally just push it in. Sometimes you can maybe wrap one of the branches around the ribbon if it's not staying. If you do have a real tree, you can take some type of twist tie and wrap it in there if it's not staying for you, but a lot of times that mesh ribbon will stick to those branches. After I finished with the cascading ribbon, I went in with weaving, and this is what I like to do to add movement to the tree and, again, more fullness. I take more of that mesh ribbon and I just create diagonal loops around the tree where it has holes in between that cascading ribbon down. Super easy. I just take it, I cut it off where I think I need it. I don't pre-cut my ribbon. If I'm using ribbon from previous years, I'll just take it and make it fit. But if I am using new ribbon, I do not pre-cut it to a certain length. I just take it and see how much I need and cut it off within the tree. Super easy. Love this as well. I again used the silver and gold mesh in here. I did add in some colored mesh because I'm gonna go with a very colorful themed tree this year. Over the top, bold, Mad Hatter theme. For the cascading ribbon down the tree and the weaving ribbon, I do like to use the mesh ribbon because I want to be able to see the light shining through, and I added a ton of this because this tree is not flocked. If you have a flocked tree, you probably wouldn't need as much of this. It kind of already gives you a blank canvas to work with because it's so white. When you have just a green tree, I do feel like I need to add that mesh ribbon in there to kind of give me a blank canvas to start doing my work and adding in the other ribbon, ornaments, etc. Next, I went in with so many different types of ribbon. I'm telling you, ribbon makes a tree look so gorgeous, so over the top. You can create so many different looks. For this step, I usually like to have 4-inch ribbon or maybe a little bit wider. Now, some of the ribbons that I loved, there was not a 4-inch wide ribbon in it, so I think it was maybe 2.5 inches. And I went in with so many different colors, so many different stripes, details. I went in with fur, and I just went from the top of the tree and did maybe a couple loops, cut it. I went diagonal. There is no real pattern or technique for this ribbon. I went into places where I thought it needed a certain color. I thought it needed added fullness, added texture. I went in with black and white ribbon. I went in with white with gold polka dots. I think this is a 2.5 width ribbon. I went in with a diamond black and white check because that gives that Mad Hatter theme, also with the black and white stripe. I also added in a bright pop of pink. This is just regular ribbon. I got all of this ribbon from either Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or Walmart. You can get ribbon almost at any craft store. I do like the look of wider ribbon. It just covers more of the tree. It looks more full. This was definitely the step that took the longest just because I had so many different types and colors of ribbon, and I really wanted to add the fullness to the tree and lots of color. After I went in with the ribbon, I put my tree topper together. This tree topper I took from a previous tree that I already had, and I just added some more color and ribbon to it. So I already had the gold, the silver, and the burlap. I didn't really want the burlap, but I kind of hid it in there. And all I do to create this tree topper is I create a loop, 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 and then I tie it with floral wire. I promise you it's easy. It's messy, but I like the way that it looks. After I created the ribbon tree topper, I put it on top of the tree. I kind of fluff it, move it around, make it look good on the tree. And then I call these glitter explosions. I don't know what they are, to be honest. There's all different kinds at Hobby Lobby. They are literally sticks with like glitter everywhere, balls on them, stuff sticking off, swirly cute. I absolutely love them, and I just stick them in the top of the tree topper to really make that tree topper look like it's exploding. After the tree topper is on the tree, we went in with flowers. I always do this to all of my Christmas trees. I love the way it looks. It always adds elegance. I love the pops of color. I love the textures, the dimension. Looks so amazing. And I just went in with tons of colors. I got actually the purple and the green ones from Walmart. I got the red and the pink ones from Hobby Lobby, and then the silver ones I had from previous years. They were from Hobby Lobby as well that I used on previous trees. So you can incorporate stuff that you already have as well. I just think you need ribbon is the biggest main thing, and then you can add in whatever you want decoration wise to add fullness and really cover the tree. We went in what I call the glitter explosions and just placed them all over the tree to add sparkle and shine and fill in places that needed a little extra something. Went in with our silver glitter reindeer. I'm obsessed with these reindeer. They're gorgeous. I used them on our trees in previous years. I can't get rid of them. I incorporate them in pretty much any Christmas tree I do. I do always like to add something special to the Christmas tree, whether it's a certain theme or something special to you, and I always try to find a way to incorporate these reindeer. They're gorgeous. We literally just place them into the tree. They fill up the tree. They add special character to the tree. I'm obsessed with them. I don't think I will ever part ways with these reindeer. Love them. Last, we went in with massive bulb or ball ornaments. I think the bigger the better with these. They add dimension, movement to the tree. They add another shape to the tree. The more that you can add texture-wise, shape-wise, I think the better. I love these bulbs as well. The colors went with the trees. They look so pretty. This is how we decorate our Christmas tree this year. We used lots of ribbon. We added some flowers in there. The tree topper was ribbon as well with the glitter explosions. We also added glitter explosions throughout the tree, added these special glitter reindeer, and then big ball ornaments at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.